Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in this video. Biggest rules for the giveaways is you must be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're gonna need to know. So today we are unboxing the FabFitFun mystery bundle from their Black Friday sale. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box full of lifestyle, beauty, fitness, skincare, makeup, all sorts of fabulous things for you. It's $49 or if a season, so a quarter, or if you want to, you can use my code, which will be in the description box down below. That'll save you $10 off your first box, so that'll bring that down to $39 for your first box. If you pay for a year at a time, you do get more choices when it comes to your seasonal subscriptions. And then I also want to tell you guys, I have some starter boxes to give away. So how starter boxes work with FabFitFun. So you can request one if you've never requested one before, and if you've never signed up for a FabFitFun before. So your friend signs up for the starter box, and all that you have to do to get the starter box is pay for the shipping. And they receive 3 to 4 gifts valued at over $75. And then for 21 days, your friend will have a trial membership. They can cancel anytime before the trial ends or stick around and auto enroll in the seasonal membership. So if that's something that you're interested in, let me know in the comments down below so I can kind of hook you up. FabFitFun does only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom at this time. So in between their seasonal boxes, they'll have different types of sales. Sometimes they'll have an edit sale, which is about halfway in between. And then this time they had a Black Friday and kind of a Cyber Monday sale. So this is the mystery bundle that I did pick up. It's $29. There are 4 full-size items in there, and they're valued at over $100. So really good deal. I've had some really good mystery bundles, and I've had some bad mystery bundles. So I can't wait to find out what's in here. One of these items in here we're going to be giving away to one of you. Speaking of giveaways, you guys, I have a ton going on. A lot of them are going to end next week. So make sure that if you're going to enter those past ones, that closing date is coming up. I also did want to tell you every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Ciate London Editor's Palette. I will put a link for this giveaway as well as all the others in the description box down below. Some of you guys have asked me what I've got going on my eyes, and I love this look that I created. I kind of did a combo of 2 different ones. I used the Natasha Denona's Mini Star palette, and I used this one here as a transition. This here is a crease and outer corner buildup. I put this all over the lid and put this in the inner corner. I also tightlined this along the bottom. And then I topped it off. You guys know I love Natasha Denona and Colande Cosmetics, but this is the Colande Cosmetics Glitter Jeweled. It is Grisalde. Look how pretty this is. It shifts from kind of a brown to a blue to a purple to a green. It is just stunning. So that's what I have topped over everything else. So let's dive in and find out what is in this mystery bundle. I'm super excited because it's a mystery. You never know. So the first product in here is from Summer and Rose. It is an ombre scarf. This is so beautiful. I mean, just look how pretty this is. The ends are a little frayed, and it's inspired by Summer. The stylish functional scarf features an ombre design and frayed ends for an effortless beach babe look. This would be perfect this time of year too. It's gorgeous. Does retail for $58. Next we have a palette. It is from the Beauty Crop Travel Tea Face Palette Mediterranean Spring. Does retail for $24.50. Look at these shades. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh. So what this says is travel and style with our new travel tea palette inspired by your favorite holiday spots. This universal palette is all you need when traveling, perfect for the girl on the go. The universal face palette is perfect to bronze up your face, add color to the cheeks, and help you get your glow on. The palette is complimentary on all skin tones. The cream highlighter, which is this one right here, provides a dewy base. The pearl pressed highlighter, which is this one right here, can be seamlessly layered for a glow to last all day. The multi-toned pressed chromatic pearl highlighters amplifies your natural radiance. The palette offers effortlessly blendability and layered power. It lets you build up your desired look from natural to bronzed goddess. It's universal palette, perfect for on the go, 8 shades, which contains 4 different formulas for all skin types, enriched with green tea, which provides an antioxidant, energizing and refreshing skin tone, improving the skin's radiance. This is so stunning. So that last palette, and these make me want to go traveling. No place to go right now. Can't go anywhere right now. Yeah. So this though is the Mimika Resealable Pill Pouch. It is a 50 pack and retails for $8. And basically it's a handy way to organize your pills with resealable plastic pill bags that can be used over and over again. You can write here your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever. And then you could say what it is if you want to. And you could say these need to be taken AM or PM. What a clever idea. I love that you can use these over and over again. Here is another product from Summer and Rose. This one is fairly heavy. It is 348 grams. It is the Summer and Rose Vanilla Soy Wick Candle in Arctic Vanilla. It's warm your soul with the irresistible scent of the vanilla bean. The classic aroma will fill your home with a calming energy that transports you to a dreamy oasis. Another travel thing in this box. Obviously it is 12.27 ounces. It's warm vanilla soy wax, pretty calming energy smell, kind of like a zen type smell. Oh, you guys, this is, I love the scent of vanilla bean in it. Oh, I love this. I cannot. My candle that I was using, because I have like a little kind of like holiday topper thing that sits on top of candles, and I've had the same one for like a couple years, and it finally burned all the way down yesterday. Oh, this is heaven, you guys. Heaven. It does retail for $40. total of this box was $130. I mean, the scarf I thought was beautiful. You know, these are a great idea. This palette is gorgeous. And this smells just yummy. What are we gonna give away? Let's do the palette. I feel like giving a palette away today to one of you. Secret word, believe. I love this time of year. I love being a little Santa that can give back to one of you guys for this. I cannot wait. Make sure to tune in next week. I think on next Wednesday, I'm gonna do a video doing all of my giveaways that are ending on Tuesday. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to find out if you won any of those. Let's keep this one though open through January 12th, and then on January 13th, I'll announce the winner for this one. So what you need to do, like this video, watch it in its entirety, and then there is a Google form link in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name, so yes, I can verify that you are a subscriber, and then also put on it what the secret word is. If you want to extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I can only do it with your help. I love that we are such a positive group here. So I do a random number generator when I pick the winner. It's fair to everyone. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss in transit, damaged, anything like that for it, extra for it to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. They're not responsible for anything. This is me giving back to you because I love giving back to my subscribers. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. So when I do the random number generator, I will pin the person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comment section of this video, so that way you know who won. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. When you do, it means the world to me. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.